Yes, isang magandang hapon po sa ating lahat, isang magandang linggo po ng hapon at kausap po natin ng Barangay Sketcher Woman po ng Barangay Dos, Poblacion Dos, Bisaya North Cotabato. And ngayon katatapos na ng kanilang ginawa pong programa na tournament. Una-una, Sketcher Woman, Ivy Rose, pagbati muna sa ating mga nakikinig sa buong Poblacion Dos. Go ahead po.
Good afternoon sa lahat. Yung SK, Sangguniang Kabataan na Pagkakaroon natin open for all, lalo na sa mga kabataan na may kailangan when it comes to education. And I will take this chance na lang para pasalamatan din ang mga aming barangay na si Honorable Mayor Sigara for being supportive barangay captain para allowing the event.
Yes, unang katulungan natin ay Sketcher Woman, Ivy Rose. Bakit ang chess ay napili nyo ngayon? Alam naman natin na every annually nagkakaroon kayo ng palaro dahil yun po ang ginagawa po natin mga SK Kabataan in regards na rin sa mga activity po ng ninyo po as a Sketcher Woman. Bakit napili nyo po ang chess sa isa sa mga programa nyo po? Ano yung nag-inspire sa inyo? Pwede.
Simula po yung nakuha ko bilang Sketcher person in Passion 2. With the year 2024, nag-start po yung program namin and we decided to conduct summer activities for the youths. And for that year, 2024, the chess players of the barangay approached me na kung pwede magkaroon ng tournament sa barangay Passion 2. And with that time, nakita ko na maraming bata interesado despite they are not looking for the prizes but they are looking for the experience that the young mga children pa to learn something. And makita ko din na yung mga parents are very proud and supportive. So we decided this year na magkaroon ulit. And we are happy and lucky na rin dahil despite kami ng mga SK chairperson, na mga SK council, wala kaming experience sa chess, we doesn't know how to play chess, or kung ano yung mga criteria na kailangan sa chess. Pero meron po yung sila sir, nag-approach sa amin at tinulungan nila kami kung paano, ano yung gawin at kung paano gagawin. And also they are the one who is responsible sa pag-invite ng mga participants na dumalo kahapon at ngayon.
Base sa inyong observation, Sketcher Woman, baby, yung chess dito sa inyong Poblacion Dos, ano yung na-obserbahan natin sa mga kabataan po dito?
Ang na-observe ko lang kasi, dito sa Poblacion 2 mismo, meron po tayong naging kalakok sa palarong pambansa, and that is Hamza. Also, grandchild of our barangay Kagawan. So, na-inspire kami kasi hindi namin inaakala na at the young age, he was able to present not only the province of North Cotabato but the barangay of Poblacion 2 to the palarong pambansa. So, it is very inspiring at nakikita ko rin na maraming kabataan na interested sa chess. So, we are we are part lang to support them, to give them something to learn.
Yes, maliban dun sa chess, alam naman natin na may mga programa kayo sa inyong Sangguniang Kabataan na mga palaro nyo. Ano pa yung programa nyo ngayon, SK?
Sa ngayon po, we already conducted a 3x3 basketball tournament. Yun po is exclusive lang sa Barangay Poblacion 2 since wala po kaming court for bigger events. So 3x3 lang po yung nilalaro namin every weekends. Then next week, we will have the distribution of subsidy to college graduates of Barangay Poblacion 2 for this year na graduates. Then after that, nakaplano na rin po kami sa ibang summer activities like Mobile Legends Tournament. We will also have the quiz bee competition and also the logo making contest.
Marami yung mga feedback kanina na grabe na yung accommodation natin sa ating mga chess player at dito nila na-experience yung kumbaga hospitality ng isang Pilipino na talagang yun ang tatak natin. Very inspired sila. Sabi nga nila, hindi na daw sila maglaro ng chess, magkakaroon sila. Bakit natin ito naisipan, ISK?
Actually, that's the list that we can do. Since we have the budget, and sa amin po talaga never kami nag-solicit. I don't know if that's, siguro if the higher ups na hindi namin nasolicitan, that's a good thing since funds must be budgeted. So kami din, as much as possible, we are not asking for help from those. So we will, maliit nung budget namin ngayon, but ginagamit through foods na lang so that ma-compensate na lang ang pagpunta nila dito since not everyone can be the winner. So at that smallest thing, makabigay lang din kami kahit papaano.
So it means lahat ng mga pa-premyo, lahat ng budget ngayon is yun doon kinuha mismo doon sa 10% na nakalaan sa ating SK budget. Ganun po ba?
Yes po, since nakaupo po ako bilang SK chairperson, the only ones na kami nakasolicit in. Then after that, I really discourage since yan po yung sinasabi lagi na sa amin ng mga higher local government official na dapat matuto tayong mag-budget ng pondo. So that's what I'm doing and I'm trying to implement so that kung sino man yung susunod sa akin, they will know or ma-encourage din sila na to maximize what we have.
Last question, any future plan para tatakbo tayo ulit as a kagawad?
Actually, they've been asking that since coming naman din yung election. As for that, I have no longer plan for running kasi life must go on and I'm still young to focus only in politics. So gusto ko din i-align naman yung future ko with the course that I graduated. So siguro I'll make myself an employee or hindi kami
Final words, baka may gusto kang pasalamatan at mga gustong pagsabihin na hindi ko naitanong kung sa inyo po pagkatanong. Go ahead po.
Siguro lang because this chess tournament really opens something to us na siguro mas paigihan pa yung pag-implement, pag-invite so that the barangay population too will be known to others. Not only sa mga machine, but also in good deeds and especially inspiring the youth. So I will also take this opportunity to once again to thank my kapwa Sangguniang Kabataan officials ng Barangay Poblacion 2 and also to the Barangay Council of Barangay Poblacion 2 because these events will not be possible without all their helps. Yun lang po.
Thank you. Ayos